How to get rid of clover in horse pasture. Clover is a common weed in horse pastures. The clover provides competition for more desirable grasses, and can even choke out the grasses you are trying to grow. Some varieties of clover, such as Alsike clover, can be toxic to horses. Alsike clover causes liver damage and sensitivity to light. Killing clover in horse pastures involves properly timed applications of herbicide and nitrogen fertilizer. Things you'll need: dicamba herbicide, nitrogen fertilizer. Dilute dicamba herbicide with water according to the package directions before spraying over the field of actively growing clover. Apply the diluted dicamba-based herbicide to the pasture in May or the beginning of June. Apply it at a rate of 240 ml per acre. Apply a nitrogen fertilizer at a rate of 41 kg per acre, according to the package directions. Nitrogen will help keep down clover growth and replace lost minerals in the soil.